We're talking specifically about spouse support now. If you want to modify that, we do that by stipulation. I just draft a document that says we're either increasing, decreasing, terminating, whatever it is you're doing. The spouse support in this case, we're increasing it effective January 1st, 2024, and they wanted to have a withholding order on that, and that is a different form. It's not the 195. It is a specific earnings assignment order, and I'm reading it. Earnings assignment order for spouse support. And it's a form FL 435, and that's a simple document to file. Nothing you need to sign. You just say who the payor is, where it's going to be mailed to, and so forth to get that filed and send that to court. The judge will sign it, and then you can send it to your employer. But yeah, we had the payor wanted to have that done because they didn't want to deal with it. They just wanted to come out and go directly to their spouse. Now, I did one. So normally, and I talked about this last week, there is no court fee or no filing fee when we file these. So I'm always wondering if, we are the first to know usually if it changes in court requirements, court fees, new documents, and so forth, because we file so many cases throughout California. I don't say we're the first to know, but we know very fast or quickly what changes there are. So in I want to say it was Alameda County, we filed one of these last week, and they they wanted to charge a $60 fee because the judge is signing it. And that's never happened before in 11 years. We've never had a court request a fee to sign this order. All